Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. Number 40, that is about 36 plus number 4. This one, that is about identities. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s plus number 6 equals to number 2 tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have number 4 tan t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one, that is about secant of t square dt. So I will put this one gone here. ds, that is about this one. So this one, that is about number 4 tan t square. So number 4 and number 4, we can do about factorization. This one, that is about secant of t square, and later that we simplify, and you got 1 over 2. The integration of this one, we have t over number 2 about t, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by number 2. And now we can find the value of t, that is about octane of s plus number 6 over number 2. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.